I'm glad to be speaking about the Center for Family and Community Engagement. I am its founding director at NC State University, and I really believe in what we do. I learned at a very early age that if we're going to get anything done, we need to bring people together, families, young people, communities, and just have them work out together how to make things better. When I was a child protection worker, first job right out of graduate school, I would go and visit families. I would sit at the kitchen table. Uh, Parents would be there, children, other family would drop in, neighbors would drop in, and we would sit around the kitchen table. And I learned that it can't be social workers telling people what to do, but instead everyone sitting in an informal way, figuring things out.
The mission of the Center for Family and Community Engagement is to advance safe, healthy, and productive families and communities, learning from them and creating with them useful practice, policy, and knowledge. We support community engagement, offer training and technical assistance, and provide evaluation and research.
So there are several different learning opportunities and ways to learn that the center provides. We provide in-person training. We provide live online sessions. We also provide self-paced, on-demand training opportunities, as well as technical assistance and learning support.
Working for the center, absolutely amazing. You know, they're known locally, state, nationally, internationally.
They really do the groundwork to go out and make those connections to really identify where is there a need in the community, and then without trying to kind of take services and make them fit into these communities, they actually develop programs that are evidence-based but also modify them to be able to fit with the values and needs of the communities that they work in.
After having worked in the county for a number of years and having direct impact with individual families, I felt that I had something to offer. From my experience of seeing what families needed, how I was able to effectively connect with them, and even the times that I missed the mark. I felt that if I had the opportunity to share with social workers on things that worked, and even sharing my mistakes of things that didn't work, so that it could be more of a partnering experience with families, so that they would receive the best service that we had to offer as an agency or as a body of social workers. I really do believe that every family deserves the opportunity to succeed, and every family can succeed, and that is absolutely the principles on which the center operates from.
It's our goal to engage families and their communities in all our conversations.
Center trainers, faculty, and staff are all key members to supporting the mission and vision, as well as the work that the center does. But more importantly, I think, are the voices and experiences of families, children, youth, and the communities that the center is connected to.
What I have seen over the years is we've always kept to our core beliefs of involving families and trying to make sure that the family's voice is important. I think that's one of the elements of what is now the center that has been true from the very first day until now.
Young people need to know that they're going to be heard and their ideas are going to be cherished.
Initially, I was drawn to the center because they included youth and family voices into the work that they did. It's so important that the youth perspective is highlighted, so that the social workers that we're training really understand how important it is to have them in those decision-making spaces, so that there's not decisions that are made in reference to their life that impact their life for the rest of their life that they didn't have any type of inclusion in.
Part of the partnership that we have with faculty and staff is really key in the work that we do, particularly around curriculum development. Faculty members and staff help provide research base and elements, as well as the sharing of innovative practices to the work that we do. when we have an opportunity to partner, and we are continually seeking opportunities to partner with different faculty and student members, it brings a continual growth and relevancy to our curriculum and training materials.
What I really noticed is the potential for my work outside of theory building, which is at a university like NC State, which you're encouraged to do. But you don't have to choose between building theory, pushing the national conversation forward, and also helping communities and helping states work better, helping families work better, and sort of getting folks the resources they need.
I immediately was drawn to the type of work that the center did. As an assistant professor, starting out my research career, it can take years to be able to have the resources to do the type of translational research that the center is already doing every day. And so the opportunity to develop something that would directly help foster parents in North Carolina was so appealing to me, and I was just so excited to get started on this project.
Family partners, youth partners, community partners, faculty partners, student partners, really coming together. To my mind, this is the only way we can really make change, by working together.
If you want to be a part of keeping families at the center of your conversations, we would love to connect with you. Come join our mission so we can work together to help families and communities thrive. Visit cface.org to find out more.
And so if every social worker that we have in a classroom can take that away, I think we are in a better place for having a successful society with families being greatly impacted.